Hello everyone, and welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose fake websites and protect your hard-earned money. Today, we're reviewing Enervio Shop. This site claims to sell everything from a 7-color Bluetooth body fat scale, 400 Light vibration plate, compact home gym, adjustable weighted vest, cloud pillow with cooling pillowcase, ratchet straps, heavy-duty trailer hitch, and even a tactical hiking stick with survival kit. But the big question is Enervio Shop legit or just another scam website? Let's break it down. At first glance, Enervio Shop looks impressive. The website is packed with trendy fitness gear, home equipment, and outdoor survival products, all at huge discounts. Multiple unrelated products on one store is our first red flag. Scam websites often sell everything to attract as many buyers as possible. Let's talk about the claims. A Bluetooth body fat scale promising instant BMI readings, a 400 dB vibration plate claiming lymphatic drainage, a full-body home gym in compact size, and premium items like cooling pillows and heavy-duty hitches, all at suspiciously low prices. These offers sound attractive, but they also sound too good to be true. Now, here's where things get concerning. No clear company background. No verified business address. Limited or generic contact information. No authentic customer reviews outside the website. Product images appear copied from other stores. Also, trusted platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit show little to no real feedback, which is unusual for a store claiming to sell high-volume products. Their shipping and return policies are vague. Scam websites often delay shipping or deliver cheap knockoff items, and refunds become nearly impossible once payment is made. So, is Enervio Shop legit or a scam? Based on our research, Enervio Shop appears high risk. Too many red flags, unrealistic discounts, and lack of transparency make this website unsafe to shop from. If you are thinking about ordering from Enervio Shop, think twice. Always buy fitness and safety equipment from trusted and verified sellers. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you've had any experience with Enervio Shop. Stay alert. Stay safe. See you in the next scam review. Thank you.